How to use Khan Academy Kids app. If you have been using the Khan Academy application and now you want to use the Kids app for your children and you don't know how to do it, don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now scroll down and here you can find the Khan Academy Kids app just right here. So this is the app for the kids ages between 2 to 8. Now simply tap on to download now, just like this. Then open in browser. Now simply tap on to get button right here and download this app. And after downloading it, you can simply use the Khan Academy Kids app. Now simply download it, make your account and simply give it to your children and kids and they will learn from it. And that's it. This is how you can use Khan Academy Kids app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.